There's something really frustrating about trying to make healthier choices and then realizing the appliance you're cooking with is full of materials you're trying to avoid. As a cancer survivor, I've worked really hard to reduce plastics in my life, especially anything exposed to high heat. So when I found this glass air fryer combo, I was genuinely excited because it feels like a cleaner, more thoughtful way to cook. And honestly, it's completely changed the way I use air fryers. First off, this is a 6-in-1 air fryer combo, so it can roast, air fry, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and cook frozen foods. It has a super sleek LED that's easy to use, and it looks beautiful on the counter in this iron blue color. But the thing that makes this really stand out is the glass bowls. You actually get 2 interchangeable glass bowls, a 2.6 quart and a larger 4.7 quart bowl, so you can switch depending on what you're cooking. I love that they're clear because you can actually see your food without opening the air fryer and losing heat. No more guessing if your food is burning or undercooked. And because they're glass, there's no weird plastic smell during cooking like some of the air fryers have. That was a huge selling point for me. The bowls are also PFAS and PTFE free, plus it includes a non-toxic ceramic crisper plate. And if you're like me and prefer avoiding non-stick inserts altogether, I discovered my Instant Pot accessory racks fit perfectly inside this too, which is amazing. It also comes with separate lids for the glass bowls, which is so convenient because you can literally go from cooking to storing leftovers in the fridge without dirtying extra containers. The 1500 watt power heats up quickly and crisps foods so well. Leftover pizza, fries, roasted veggies, everything comes out crispy instead of soggy like the microwave. And cleanup is surprisingly easy because the glass bowls are dishwasher safe. If you're worried it'll be complicated to use, it's honestly very beginner friendly. The presets make everything simple and the compact design is great for apartments, RVs, smaller kitchens, or anyone trying to save counter space. For me personally, this has made cooking feel easier, cleaner, and honestly just more enjoyable. I feel better knowing I'm reducing exposure to materials I personally try to avoid while still getting all the convenience of an air fryer. If you've been wanting an air fryer that feels more premium, non-toxic, and versatile, definitely check this one out because I've been seriously impressed with it.